Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price actions point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So my goal here is just to try to, apply the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, and point out a couple levels that a whole lot of people next week are going to be watching. And the important part about identifying these levels where lots of people are watching them and wondering the same things is call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. Whenever any of these levels are broken, it can create some very dynamic movements. And, as a trader, that's what we want. We just want to be able to locate areas and, try to, build trade plans, around them. And the first level that really stands out and a whole lot of people are going to be watching is this area of resistance right here at the $18 mark. You can see several times today. Now, did it hit 18 exactly? No, but generally speaking, the price was up around that area this morning, pulled back, came back up early afternoon, got rejected by that level once again, pulled back a little bit. So again, it's a more than rational, it's a more than valid thought to have, maybe this thing needs to go sideways a little bit and then work its way back upwards. And if it can do that and get the break of 18, again, not a guarantee, but point here being, it's a rational thought to have that if the price can consolidate, work its way up there and get the break of 18, that very well could create upside pressure and create a nice little break out there. So again, a lot of people are going to be watching $18. On the flip side of things, the area that a lot of people are going to be watching is right here initially, that trend line right there. Actually, let me change that to green. And people are going to be watching this trend line here because if this level does not hold, again, not a guarantee, but I don't think anybody would be shocked. And the odds are very, very high that if that trend line fails to the downside, then the price is more than likely going to go down and at least test that pink line, if not break below it. And that pink line is on my chart denoting the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average, currently valued at $16.82. So these are going to be the main dynamics that I'll be watching going into next week. And like I said, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you a lot of other traders are watching them and wondering the same things. So let's see if we can get some self-fulfilling prophecies. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.